In this video, I'm going to show you what is preallocation, why to use it, where to use it, and I'm going to give an example in MATLAB for numeric and cell array types. So what is preallocation? Preallocation is the assignment of a given array. It can be a numeric string, cell, or table type array to a block of memory. So here, using this code, we are going to create a variable x that has 100 components and are going to be stored in a fixed block of memory. So why do you use preallocation? In MATLAB, when we resize an array in each iteration of a for and while loop, it takes some extra time for MATLAB to look for larger blocks of memory. So for example here, in this code, we did not preallocate the variable x, and MATLAB at each iteration will spend some time adapting the block of memory. So we use preallocation inside for and while loops to improve simulation time. So in this code here, now we pre-allocated the variable x, and MATLAB will not expend some extra time in each iteration to adapt the block of memory. So as a consequence, this code will run much faster than this code right here. So let's see in MATLAB the gain in simulation speed for two cases. The first one, it's a numeric type array, and the other one is for a cell type array. Alright, so now we're going to start with the numeric array example. We are here in MATLAB. We are going to run the for loop without preallocation, and we're going to run the same for loop, but now with preallocation. We initialize the timer before each loop, and this code, the talk in MATLAB, will take count of the elapsed time after the loop is executed. So here we're going to compare the two times between the for loops with and without preallocation. Let's run the code. And here we can see that the preallocation speeds up the simulation time by 8.173 times. So just by simply preallocating the variable x, our code now it's 8.173 times faster. So now let's move on with the cell array example. So this example, it's basically the same as the previous one, but now we are going to generate a random matrix of size 2 by 2 at each iteration of the for loop, and this matrix will be stored in a cell. So in this section of the code, we are not going to perform the preallocation, and in the second section of the code, we are going to perform the preallocation and compare the times as in the previous example. So let's run the code. Okay, so for this example, we can see that the preallocation speeds up the code by 1.53 times. So simply by pre-allocating, we can speed up the code by 1.52 times. It's smaller than in the previous example, but it's still significant for a simulation. And as we have done in these two examples, the pre-allocation can be done for any type of array, and it will certainly speed up your code execution time. This is all for this video. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you have any questions, please post in the comments section below. I hope to see you soon in a future video. Be safe.